check out a Viking Village that was built for the Witcher movie set. So we're gonna head out here and we're gonna see if we can get some cool shots flying the drone over it too. You can see it's not that far, it's right here from the parking lot. Let's go check it out. Kind of cool. So they built this set for The Witcher. I'm not sure if it ever got used, but as you can see, they just left it up here and create this great little spot so you can come and visit while you're here. So unique and cool. I found Kyle's twin here. I'll have to get a photo of him in front of it. All right, Viking Village from The Witcher. Check. On to the next.
Perfect.
All right, we are at Kirkin something. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely gorgeous.